Hello, welcome to TechOS scenario-based courses. My name is Salman Francis and I will be instructor for this course. So today's scenario is that our manager has tasked us with installation of WordPress site on our Amazon EC2 instance. And for this video, I assume that you already know how to install or how to create an EC2 instance on Amazon. So I already have a running EC2 instance and you can see that we have a T2 micro instance on Amazon. And I'm already connected with my T2 instance. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will need to install a EPEL repository. Okay, and it's telling me that sudo run Amazon Linux extra install. Okay, we will do that. We don't need a sudo, we already have the root account. Yes. Okay, once this is done, so this is actually freshly installed EC2 instance. So once this is done, we need to install the webtactic release RPM, and for that RPM dash UVH HTTPS mirror dot webtactic.com /yum /el7 webtactic -release.rpm. Okay, I think I'm missing something. Oh yeah, RELEASE. Okay, so now we have installed our RPM for webtactic, and now we will install our packages. yum-y install. So why webtactic? Actually, here we can, with this repository, actually we can install latest version of our PHP and MariaDB. So that's why yum-y install MariaDB. That's we are going to for our database server. MariaDB, then MariaDB server. PHP 56W, PHP, you can use the latest version of PHP as well, but I'm going to use this 56W, MB string, PHP 56W dash MySQL, PHP 56W SOAP, PHP 56W dash XML, unzip, vim, wget. Okay, so installation is complete. Now we need Apache. Okay, so Apache is already there. So now we need to download WordPress. So to do that, we will use wget, and let's go to our opt directory. Wget http wordpress.org/wordpress.tar.gz. Let me take you to the site. So here's the wordpress.org, and you can see here get WordPress, and here is the latest. Actually, right click, copy link address. So it's wget latest.zip. Press enter. Okay, our WordPress is downloaded. Unzip. Okay, we have this folder WordPress, and now I'm going to go into WordPress folder, and then I'm going to copy all this content into our /var/www/html directory. Okay, perfect. We have all the content in our /var/www/html directory, and now we need to make sure that our HTTPD and MySQL are running. So systemctl start HTTPD, systemctl enable HTTPD, systemctl start MariaDB, systemctl enable MariaDB. Okay, first thing I would like is MySQL _secure installation. So enter current password for root. I don't have. Set root password. Okay, I'm going to set it. Okay, remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database. Yes. Reload the privileges. Perfect. Now I need to log into my MySQL. MySQL -user root -p. Give the password of root, and now you are in your MySQL. Okay, now we are going to create a user. So in order to create that, we will use create user. Let's call it cell at localhost and identified by, and here we are going to give its password, and let's call it itpings.com. Okay, now we have created our user. Now we will create a database. So create database WordPress. You can call it anything. Our database is created, and now we are going to grant all privileges on WordPress .asterisk to our user cell at localhost. Perfect. Flush the privileges. Show databases. Okay, we have our WordPress database. Perfect. That's it. Exit. And now we need to go to we need to configure our WordPress. So let's go to our HTML directory and copy this wp-config, that sample to wp-config. config.php. Okay, now wp-config.php, vim into it, and now we need to give all the information such as the database name. So here DB name is WordPress. Username is cell. and password is itpings.com. And our DB host is localhost. That's it. Now save and quit and restart the services. So if all goes well, if we visit our, so let's check what is our IP address. So this is our IP address. So if we go to our IP address, and it should start our WordPress installation. Or let's try to go to only do our IP address. Perfect. So now the site title is, let's call it it pings demo. Username is Sal. Okay. And we can have it, and this is actually not Sal, let's call it. And the password is, okay, this is the password. Just select it, copy it somewhere. I'll just paste it here. Okay, and then email address. So I'll just give it learning@pings.com and then install WordPress. It pings the password. And perfect, we have our dashboard. Okay, let's go to the themes. Okay, let's select this 2016 theme. And now let's visit our site. So perfect, we have successfully installed our WordPress site on Amazon instance. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for purchasing the course. Goodbye.